Can you drive a car? Can you read music? Can you sail a boat? Can you sing karaoke? Can you spell rhythm? Can you read the cards? Can you take a selfie? Can you ride a horse? Can you play chess? Can you wear a six? Can you speak French? Can you make Caesar salad? Can you run a marathon? Can you hear the birds? Can you juggle? Can you see in the dark? He's climbing a mountain. She's listening to music. He's waiting on tables. She's writing a story. They're taking a selfie. They're having a coffee. He's washing his hands. He's making a call. They're walking to school. They're waiting for the bus. She's taming the lion. The kettle is boiling. He's checking his phone. She's doing her homework. It's raining again. He's riding his bike.
The blue square is in front of the grey square. The grey square is behind the blue square. The blue square is above the grey square. The grey square is below the blue square. The blue square is on top of the grey square. The grey square is underneath the blue square. The blue square and the grey square are close together. The blue square is next to the grey square. The blue square and the grey square are far apart. The grey square is at the top of the page. The blue square is at the bottom. The blue square is inside the grey square. The grey square is outside the blue square. The blue square comes before the grey square. The grey square comes after the blue square. There are more blue squares than grey squares. There are fewer grey squares than blue squares.
Serve and serve. Hair and hair. Glasses and glasses. Right and right. Wait and wait. Pair and pair. Some and some. Stare and stare.